Okay, what is Poisson distribution? Let's see it. The discrete random variable x is said to be a Poisson distribution with parameter. This is a very simple topic. Okay, with a parameter alpha greater than 0 if the PMF probability mass function of x is given by how it is given, Px, it is a discrete, so x is equal to k is equal to e to the power minus alpha to the power k upon factorial k for k goes to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. A discrete random variable is said to have a Poisson distribution if PMF of this random variable is given by this way. Okay, so note that first you check that Px of k is non-negative for any k, because what is the condition for being a probability mass function? It should be a non-negative at each point and its summation should be 1. Okay, so what is this? So you write capital X here. So what is this? K 0 to infinity e to the power minus alpha, this factorial k. Okay, so e to the power minus alpha will come out because it does not depend on k. Can you tell me what is this? What is the value of this? E to the power alpha. So it is 1. So this implies Px defines a PMF, probability mass function. We have actually verified whether it defines in fact or not. We have checked that it actually defines. Okay. It is a PMF. Okay. So note up to this, because what is the condition of being a PMF? At each value it should be non-negative and summation of all this should be 1. So all the conditions are satisfied. It is PMF in fact. Okay. Note up to this. Now we are going to calculate variance and expectation of Poisson distribution. Okay. So I am writing a result. You can note from here. Okay. Okay. If X is a Poisson distribution with parameter alpha, then expectation of X is alpha and variance of X is also alpha. If X is a Poisson distribution, its variance as well as expectation both are alpha. So let's prove it. What is Ex? Can you tell me? Ex formula is nothing but xi px xi. So what is this? This is nothing but k is equal to 0 to infinity k px k. Okay, because at k we will put k is equal to 0, it will be give 0. So start k is equal to 1 to infinity. So k का वैल्यू keep as it is, e to the power minus alpha to the power k factorial k. K e to the power minus alpha to the power k, we can write like that. E to the power alpha will come out because it does not depend on anything. Okay, or 1 power, I can write alpha as this way. So 1 alpha will also come out. Okay, so what is this now? Alpha to the power k minus 1. Okay, so put s is equal to k minus 1. Put s is equal to k minus 1, then this will be converted to which way? S is equal to 0 to infinity alpha to the power s upon factorial s. Now what is the form? What is this value? Can you tell me what is this value? Sorry, s is equal to k minus 1 you put. Yeah. So what is this value? This value is e to the power alpha. What is the value of this? E to the power minus alpha into the e to the power alpha. This will make 1. So this is 1. So we got alpha. Okay, we got alpha. Alpha to the power s upon s. We are changing the variable. S is equal to k minus we are taking. When k is equal to 1, s is 0. Okay, now we need to calculate variance. We know that formula for variance is this. Because expectation Ex we know alpha, we need to calculate Ex square. Once we need know what is Ex square, then we will put these values here. We will come to know what is variance. Okay, so what is Ex square? What is this? What is this? What is the formula for this? xi का square px xi. So what will be this? Okay.
Hello, Moto.
Okay, so this is this. So k square e to the power alpha will come out. So okay, so alpha to the power k, I can write k, okay, I can start 1k will be cancel out, okay. So e to the power minus alpha k is equal to 1 to infinity k e to the power minus alpha, alpha to the power k, alpha to the power k upon k minus 1. So let s is equal to k minus 1, then this implies k का वैल्यू क्या होगा, s plus 1, ओके. तो इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम, e to the power minus alpha s 0 to infinity s plus 1 alpha to the power s plus 1 upon factorial s, okay. So e to the power minus alpha, we can dissolve this s, we can separate it. 1 alpha we can take 1 alpha we can take out, so it will be what, alpha e to the power minus alpha s plus 1 alpha to the power s upon factorial s. So what will be this, we can separate these to some, okay. So alpha e to the power minus alpha, okay. So we can write it, what we can write, L is equal to, we can write it S is equal to, so this is S is equal to 0 to infinity S alpha to the power S, S factorial S minus 1, I can write it. What is the value of this, can you tell me? This value is e to the power alpha, alpha e to the power minus alpha. So we can write S is equal to 1 to 1 S will be cancelled out, okay. Alpha we can take outside, alpha S minus 1 upon S minus 1 e to the power alpha, okay. Put L is equal to S minus 1, then what will be the value, this is alpha, it will be converted to 0 to infinity alpha to the power L upon factorial L plus e to the power alpha. So what is this, what is this, alpha, its value is e to the power alpha, multiply everything inside, what you will get, alpha square plus alpha, okay. So now, so we got this is equal to this one, so variance of x is equal to so we got this one, and ex value was what, alpha, so इससे ये कट गया, सो अल्फा, ठीक है। सो वेरिएंस, ओके, वेरिएंस एंड एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ Poisson distribution is alpha, okay. Okay. So again I am writing a result. Let x be a binomially distributed random variable binomially distributed means binomial distribution we are taking with parameters n and p, because binomial distribution is defined by n and p, okay. That is pxk is equal to बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन इस तरह से डिफाइन होता है, एन चूज के पी टू द पावर के, ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन इट, एन माइनस के, ओके. सपोज दैट as n tending to infinity, np is equal to fixed alpha, it is a constant, it remains a constant, okay, remains a constant. और equivalently as n tending to infinity, p tending to 0, such that np tends to alpha. Under this condition, we have limit n tending to infinity p x k is equal to e to the power minus alpha to the power k factorial k. It means in this condition it becomes Poisson distribution, because right hand side is probability mass function of Poisson distribution. In this condition it behaves like Poisson distribution, okay. This is what the Poisson distribution with parameter alpha, okay. So let's see its proof. Its proof is simple. Okay, p x is equal to k, okay. So we will see its proof in next lecture, okay.